my lord, I am to make mention for item number 14, my lord. My lord, there is some mistakes which cannot be corrected anyway, my lord. So I want to withdraw with liberty to file a fresh one, my lord. And if possible, my lord, I may be allowed to take back the Ukalatnama and annexer set, my lord.
And Chair?
Ukalatnama and annexer set may be take back, my lord, if possible, my lord.
Okay, but you'll have to provide a photocopy. You'll have to, yeah, you will have to provide photocopies.
My lord.
Okay.
Item 14,
Okay.
my lord, 1-4.
Item 14. Owing to certain inherent defects in the edit petition, Mr. A.R. Sigdal, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks liberty to withdraw the petition and to file again. So he also prays for liberty to withdraw the Wakalatnama as well as the annexures. Next, all the respondents are represented. The period is allowed to the extent that the learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to withdraw the Wakalatnama as well as the annexures by keeping copies, photocopies thereof. Thereof on record. Matters is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
Deep love, legislators.
Also, madam. Procedural order dated 28/7, 2025. I filed an amended petition, madam, amended post title, but not yet listed, madam. On 13, madam.
Okay, please give it.
Please, Lordship, in respect of item number 13, Lordship, I have filed an additional affidavit. Lordship, today, Lordship, that may be called for.
Okay. Additional affidavit.
I would like to. May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 37, Lordship. This matter may be taken after motion, Lordship.
37.
Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
Obliged.
May it pleases your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item 38. Item 38 may be upgraded, lordship, after motion.
Okay.
And lordship, item number 9 and 10, lordship, in both this writ petition, we are filing additional affidavit during the course of the day. It may be taken up, not today, maybe some other day.
Okay. And it goes to next week. This
Yes,
is
lordship.
again.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. On
Yes.
prayer made by the counsel of the petitioner. List on 18, 11, 25.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
With this is a lordship. Lordship, with regards to item 42 of the supplementary list, we have filed an additional affidavit that the same may be called for in report.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, my lord. Matter may take up at 2, my lord, or any convenient time. 29.
We'll try to upgrade it.
My lord,
Okay.
my lord, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, today's list. Item number 2, my lordship. Finally, this may be taken after 1 week, my lordship.
This is a repetition criminal. Just wait for some time.
Lordship, I beg to mention for upgrading, Lordship. Daily list, item number 22. 22.
Okay, we'll try to.
All right.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
May I please it yours? Lordship, I beg pardon, Lordship, I did not file an affidavit on time, Lordship. The affidavit is almost ready, but the petitioner is unable to sign on this affidavit due to his out of station, Lordship. He's busy in his security.
On the, also as a representative on the prayer made by learned counsel for the petitioner, list after a week.
Yeah, your Lordship.
Yes, item 2.
Here we have filed our additional affidavit, my lordship. But I need to understand some of the articles of the constitution, my lord. That is why.
Okay. Also as a representative on the prayer made by learned counsel for the petitioner, list after a week.
Yes, my lord, deeply obliged.
Yes, item 3.
Regarding whereabout my instruction was issued to know.
Okay. Yes,
He has a copy, Lordship, I've given a copy to the court master.
okay.
I think he. I think he created the 52 of 25. Education now, huh? Which is.
You're at holding center
Yes, Lordship.
at okay. Mr. T.
Right,
Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard of the respondents are present. Next, pursuant to order dated 4/8/2025. For the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has produced a set of forwarding letter dated 9/8/2025 along with enclosures thereto. As per contents of the enclosures to the said letter dated 9/8/2025 issued by the senior superintendent of police within bracket border bracket to Assam, comma the Pariskar Begum, Pariskar Begum, comma, wife of late Asgar, ASGAR, Asgar Ali, has been presently lodged at the comma, so comma, who is the proceedee in case number FT within bracket D, bracket close 437 of 2015. Where is the FT order?
That is,
Acha,
page
that is at
21
page
to
21. So and so is presently lodged. The holding center at 7th AP Battalion, Saraikala, Kokrajhar. Next para. On such disclosure being made, or the court is inclined to grant to the petitioner, namely Malibur Rahman, along with one family member, to visit the said declared foreign national, namely Pariskar Begum, at the holding center at 7th AP Battalion, Saraikala, Kokrajhar. Next para, on production of certified copy of the order, comma, the in charge of the said holding center, comma, and having custody of Pariskar Begum, comma, shall permit visitation right to the petitioner and one other person. Full stop. The said authority shall also allow the petitioner to obtain signature of the declared foreign national in the Wakaratama, comma, to be identified by the said official. Next one, on the said and the next date of listing, comma, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall inform the court the visitation right has been allowed. Next one, list on 25/7/2025. 8/8, sorry, I'm sorry.
Item 4,
Here the name of the proceeding will change. It is here the name of the proceeding is MISMA, MISMA, MISMA Khatun, KHATOON. The proceeding number 2 in case number page 21. Same, rest is same. Same date.
Pleasure.
Item 5.
My lord, petitioner's son was convicted in
Yes,
the case under section 489A and 302 by the Session Judge Alipur in West Bengal.
yes.
And during his stay in the jail there, my lord, at the request, he was transferred to Assam. And he was lost since 21 in district jail at Borbeta. While he was in custody, my lord, in district jail Borbeta as a convict, on in the district jail Borbeta, my lord, on 18/3/24, it was reported to him that to his father, to the petitioner, that his convict,
No,
I
Mr.
tried-
Salia, Mr. Salia,
my lord,
please come to page 40.
that is,
Is the Supreme Court of India in session of the matter?
no, at page 48, your lordship,
40.
no, at 48, my lord, your lordship will find the Supreme Court's order. After that, only I come here. Page 48, the next slide.
Okay. Then we should notice here,
My lord,
in case of death,
my prayer will be for a further inquiry by a proper authority. Because
no, we'll have to, this, the ministerial report,
yes, my lord,
we'll
that
have
is
to
there.
call for that,
More better. Yes,
because under the CRPC and under the new BNSS, it is the, what do you call the, and the earlier CRPC, it was the judicial magistrate, judicial inquiry, now it is the executive magistrate who will do it. So we'll get that report first.
my lord.
Heard Mr. D.P. Chalya, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Pathak, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, an additional senior government advocate appearing for all the respondents. Next paragraph. You are the father.
My lord. Petitioner is the father.
Next paragraph. In brief, the case of the petitioner is that his son, namely Rahim Baksha, Rahim Badsha, aged about 38 years, within bracket, since deceased. No, not that much. Name so within bracket, since deceased, then aged 38 years, was serving life sentence in the district jail, Borbeta, pursuant to his conviction by judgment and order dated
25/2/16.
judgment and sentence. Dated 25 to 2016, passed by the learned additional sessions judge, fast track court, second, Alipur, South, 24 Parganas, in connection with sessions case number 27 within bracket 12, bracket close 10, under section 498A, oblique 302 IPC. Full stop. The appeal preferred by the said convict before the Calcutta High Court was dismissed. Full stop. But it is projected that pursuant to orders passed by the Supreme Court of India, the said convict was transferred from the state of West Bengal to the Guwahati Central Jail, and thereafter he was shifted to the district jail, Borpeta, on 7/11/2021. Stop. During custody, the said convict had reportedly fell down in the floor of the prisoners apostrophes ward number 2 and got seriously injured, and thereupon he was taken to the FAA Medical College and Hospital, Borpeta, where he expired on 23/2024. And as per the medical certificate, the cause of death was sudden cardiac arrest. Stop. Accordingly, unnatural death case was registered post inquest report. Inquest and the postmortem was conducted. And thereafter, judicial inquiry was also ordered. The inquiry report who conducted the inquiry?
Page 41.
Page
Annex G, page 41.
14,
41.
41. An inquiry was conducted by the subdivisional judicial magistrate within bracket S, bracket close Borpeta, who had submitted a report dated 29/4/2024. Who was dissatisfied with the said report. The petitioner had approached the Supreme Court of India by filing WP within bracket criminal number 261 of 2025, page 48. So, however, the said petition was withdrawn with liberty to initiate appropriate proceedings before an appropriate forum. And thereafter, the present petition has been filed. Claiming order of investigation by any other authority and for payment of monetary compensation to the family of the deceased. Next, issue notice returnable on, give a date after 3 weeks. Returnable on so and so. Extra copies of the writ petition with all enclosures be furnished to the learned senior government, additional senior government advocate in course of the day, along with one soft copy thereof. Next paragraph, the respondent authorities shall make an endeavor to produce the copy of the. Sir, you have already received the inquest report and all.
My note. I given inquest report and PM report I have given below.
Okay.
Postmortem notes.
That's not the the who is the authority, Mr. Sharma, to produce the records? Will it be Superintendent of Police?
My lord.
Or it will be the District Commissioner?
Inspector General, police, district level. They have not made the party, Department Police.
No?
Department Police, to be party here, they have not made the party.
Yes, Superintendent. Oh, Superintendent of Police is not a party here. He has made Inspector General of Prisons. They will not have.
SP is the district board, the SP is the authority. Superintendent of Police.
No, it will be inquiry conduct.
No, this.
The district jail board.
Maybe the district authority is the SB.
I made deputy commissioner, district commissioner Borbata is party.
District commission, sir. SP.
SP को बोला इसे बहुत
No, let the respondent 3 do the needful. It's a Inspector General of Prisons. He will have a report.
Don't make the party.
Okay. The respondent 3 is directed to produce records, whatever records that is available in connection with the death of the detained convict, namely Rahim Bacha. Next paragraph, additional senior government advocate shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the respondent 3 to bring the order to the notice of the said authority and for doing the needful. Affidavit of any by the state shall also be filed by them. Next list on 925. Extra copies, please give it to them.
Also party, but also one then.
What's the better?
So wind up with
Necessary. Because
I think separate police would be a necessary party,
yes, that is remember.
I thought so.
but you'll have to file an IA to impeach
Amendment,
him.
I had to provide, yes,
Okay. As per the new notification of the,
yes,
SP is
I have to be filed.
okay. In the meantime, 3rd September, we are giving a date.
Hello.
Item 6 for motion.
Yes,
Filed an affidavit in reply, my lord.
all these matters, the Advocate General will argue the matter.
Yes,
When it is fixed,
Sixth, but
6th. Okay,
on 18, but other matters are fixed on 18.
18th.
Yes.
We are fixing it on the same
My
day. Also, they're represented and the readings have been exchanged. Okay. Mr. J. Pang and its standing counsel for the FT matters has submitted that some similar matters are listed on 18/8/2025, where the Learned Advocate General would make his submissions. Next, accordingly, this is the matter on 18/8/2025.
Grateful.
Item 7,
Yeah, I agree with the lordship. Matter may be passed over for planning.
After some time,
This matter may also be fixed on 18.
same issue. Okay, same order. 18th.
item 8,
The record was called for, that's it.
It's a super.
Item 8, yes.
Record was called for.
Okay, Mr. Pang,
Yeah, my lord.
you are required to produce this.
Yes, my lord, we have asked for, my lord, probably it is not yet released. You'll get it, madam.
After some time?
On the date of the communication has been made from the department of it.
Pardon me?
No, our communication has been made on 6/8, my lord. We have not yet received the copy record. So can it be fixed in the next?
You do one thing, you telephonically you may inquire. We'll fix, take it up on at 2 p.m. By the time, if you can just communicate.
No, we have communicated already.
Okay,
We have not got the record. We'll get by next week. Already communicated, madam.
okay. What is the date you are proposing?
Next week, you're putting it
Propose a date, give a date so that
with next week. Next week, District. On 20th, madam.
20.
Yes.
Yes, lots. Both sides are represented. Next paragraph. Mr. J. Pang, when standing counsel for the FT matter has submitted that pursuant to order dated 4/8/2025, they have made communication on, they have communicated the order. The complaint authorities on 6/8/2025. The records are, receipt of records is awaited. Next, accordingly on his prayer, that the matter be listed on 20 8/20/25 for production of records in terms of order dated 14/7/2025 and 4/8/2025. So as to give some time to the learned standing also for the FT matters to pursue the matter.
Item 11. Item 11.
Thousand 24 order lordship in month of that lordship.
Page number,
Contested case lordship,
page number,
there's a number lordship, 130 lordship,
113,
30, 30.
30. Okay. Mr. and Ahmed, and counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are there. Always at page 130, dated 9/8/2024, passed by so-and-so in case number so-and-so, police case number so-and-so. Declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner, post 25/3/1971 from Bangladesh. Notice extra copies within 2 days. Notice, give a date after 4 weeks. Notice of returnable on so-and-so, extra copies within 2 days. Call for the relevant records from the concerned tribunal by usual process as well as by email at the following email address of the said land tribunal. Next para, the prayer for bail is opposed by the learned standing counsel for the FT matters. Considering the projection, bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of. Yes,
Civil.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Border, Guwahati. Kamrup Metro Guwahati. Okay. List one so.
10th of September.
Diplomas.
Item 12.
Opinion page 28, my lord.
2020.
2020, my lord.
Okay. But Mr. A.W. Aman, counsel for the
I
petitioner.
have a humble submission, my lord. In this case, my lord, for the delay, I will explain it later on. But we could not annex all the documents because, my lord, we were not provided the certificate. That is not the cause of delay, my lord. Because we could not provide all the document, the learned tribunal did not give us the document, my lord. So I may be allowed to file an additional affidavit taking from the record, my lord. Because I don't have those documents right now. I have explained in para 13, my lord, of my petition, my lord. This is page number, my lord, 8. Whatever document, my lord, I had, which is like NRC, which is not an admissible document, my lord.
No, we didn't get it. You said that the tribunal you applied and they did not give it.
They did not give it. Only the written statement, my lord, the deposition and the impugned order has been given to me, not the exhibited documents. Without that, my lord, my case is incomplete, my lord.
Where is your statement?
My lord, this is page number 13, sorry, page number 8, para 13, my lord. I applied, I have been given the opinion,
No, you say that you applied for certified copies.
certified copies from the
How can
learned.
you get certified copies of the exhibits?
My lord,
How can you get certified copy of exhibit? You will get always uncertified copy of the exhibits. This is your document.
my document. But it is in the custody of the learned.
No, you can always apply and take the original ones. Why will you keep original documents with the tribunal and then ask for a certified copy?
But even if an uncertified copy, I should get a copy, my lord, that the document.
No,
I will exhibit.
if you apply wrongly, you'll not get it. It will be refused. You see, it is your exhibited documents,
My lord,
and you are
I-
permitted return of the documents after exhibiting.
I agree, my lord.
After the conclusion of hearing, you are permitted to get the original documents.
But now the problem is that the petitioner doesn't have anything.
No, it's okay. We'll call for the records.
My lord, my lord.
You see, it's a simple issue. Let us say a proceeding is A. He files a forged document before the court or tribunal, wherever.
Correct.
And then he asks for a certified copy. And then subsequently you will say that I have a certified copy.
Your lordship is correct.
Correct. So therefore, we have some difficulty in document being certified and given. Because if it's a civil proceeding, then other side, it's CPC, CP is not applicable. Even in CPC, when the trial is over, you have the authority to apply and get the original ones. There lies the problem. I have a certified copy directed to be issued.
My lord is correct.
Okay. It's A.W. Aman, and counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are present. Opinion is at page 28, dated 25 to 2020. Passed by so-and-so in case number so-and-so, police reference case number so-and-so, declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner post 25, 319 Century Stream. Next, keeping the issue of maintainability on account of delay and latches open, issue notice returnable on same date. Extra copies within 2 days. Call for the relevant records from the concerned tribunal by usual procedure as well as by email. And the following email address for the learned tribunal. Next, clear for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. Next, in the meantime, if the petitioner, namely so-and-so, is apprehended, she shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next, the learned counsel, the petitioner is permitted to produce a certified copy of the order to the before the Superintendent of Police border. Which place?
My lord, this is Kamrup, rural, Kamrup, my lord.
Achha, Deputy Commissioner of Police. Well, then you'll have to amend your cost title. If it is Kamrup, then it will not be Superintendent of Police, the Deputy Commissioner of Police. Then,
Right?
It's rural, my lord. But rural is not written now. It's
oh,
not
achha,
metro, my lord.
okay. Well, you have the Superintendent Police border Kamrup at Amingaon. At Amingaon. Next, list on so-and-so.
My lord, grateful, my lord.
Item 13.
Yeah, additional affidavit has not come on the record, which is, though I have made mention.
Pardon me?
Additional affidavit has not come on the record, although what should have permitted.
After some time.
Lordship, regarding item number 8, Lordship.
No, item number 8, my lord, I have got a telephonic instruction just now. And this is very surprising, my lord. In fact, the tribunal has confirmed that this is not a notice from tribunal. This item number 8, my lord.
Which is that item?
Item
Item
number
8.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Where your lordship was supposed
MZ
to.
Mazumdar. He was here. I think he's at
He
the.
was there, my lord. No, I was just, my lord, I'm surprised, my lord, this notice is not there. In fact, no record is there.
This item 8.
Number.
Uh, he was calling Mr. Lennon, FZ Mazumdar. Item 8.
Is a fake notice, my lord.
This is page 12.
Page 12, my lord.
This is not there.
It is not there. No record is available, man. And in fact, the active member has said, my lord, their format is in English, not in Assamese. And this, my lord, your lordship will find in the below, in the extreme right in the below, my lord. Some as the Bhubaneswar,
Gogoi.
Gogoi is there,
Huh.
but he was not there in Silsar. He's a member there in Huburi, my lord. He is also confirmed he has no seal of this kind. We from our side will make an inquiry. It's surprising.
Okay. Just give a call for.
Yes.
Yeah. You've given us call? FZ Mazumdar. Okay. We'll take it after some time. Let him come.
Item 15. Item 15.
Yeah, we know.
We give page 43. We give her a bail. Based on call for the petitioner. All the respondents are present by order dated. The opinion is at page 43, dated 21/1/2025, passed by so-and-so in case number so-and-so, corresponding to D case number so-and-so. They were declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/3/19 71 Street. Notice extra copies within 2 days, call for the records. The prayer for bail as made in this writ petition is opposed by the standing counsel for the FT matters. Considering the projection weight. 10 days stay, the bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police, Border, Nagaon. List 4 weeks on the secure records. Item 16.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
This is a contested matter, also. So kindly come on.
Page,
Page number 42, your lordship.
page number,
Your lordship.
page number
42.
42. We go to bail. Page, Mr.
Yes, Islam.
S. Islam, then constituted petitioner. Page 42 is the opinion dated 20/6/2025. By so and so in so and so. Declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner post 25/3/1971 stream. In this time to take bail for rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police Border Borpeta. Same day.
Highly observant.
Item 17.
Yes, your lordship. Lordship opinion is at page 59.
Age
59.
59. Miss, what is the ground you have to satisfy us on the ground of delay? 2017 opinion.
17. Lordship, prayer for bail may be considered after LCR is received.
Pardon me?
Lordship, let the report may be called for. Since it's the matter of 2017, Lordship. Prayer for bail may be considered after.
No, in fact, it's 8 years now. You have to tell us something why there was a delay.
During the time when this opinion was passed, he could not immediately know because he was busy in treatment of his father. He is an 80 years old man. And after he came to know about his opinion, Lordship, there again delay because he could not engage any advocate because he's financially very, he was facing financial hardship, Lordship. Lordship, my humble request, Lordship, please, the LCR may be called for.
But your explanation is insufficient.
Lordship, let the arguing counsel also come. He is out of station.
Hmm?
Let the arguing counsel also come, my senior counsel.
Okay.
Prayer for bail may be considered after.
Okay, we'll take up photo some time because if there's a delay, you'll have to satisfy us.
2017.
Otherwise, we may not even issue on this
Lordship, any date may be fixed after 20
after 20.
August.
Okay. Ms. A. Hussain, counsel for the petitioner, submits praise for taking up praise for an adjournment. Next is prayed for list on
Lordship, any date after 20 August.
after 20. So it will be 22nd of August.
Highly obliged.
Item 18.
May I please, Your Lordship. The second out of litigation earlier approached this court and court remand back the matter to the tribunal to make an inquiry through the police personnel, and they have made inquiry and submitted report, but it was not considered. Earlier order, Your Lordship, other High Court, page 82, Lordship, page 82. High Court's order, earlier order, dated, Your Lordship,
82.
82. And relevant portion, Your Lordship.
No, opinion. Given the
Your Lordship,
opinion.
91. Yeah. Page 91. Paper 91. It's 103, bottom, Your Lordship, report.
Just a moment.
From our High Court, sir, one inquiry was made.
Okay.
Case
Okay,
103.
sure, notice. Heard Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. All the responses there. Opinion dated 4/10/2023, page 91. Passed by so-and-so in so-and-so, PS case number so-and-so. They were declaring a petitioner to be foreigner post 25 to 1971 stream. Notice returnable on extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Right. Usual process and email. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. Next, in the meantime, if the petitioner, namely Shahjahan, Shahjahan, Shahjahan Ali is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court.
Lordship, respondent 5 needs to be corrected.
I have to file amended.
Respondent 5, Lordship.
I-
It will be DCP.
Superintendent of Police border. Oh,
I'll file amended.
no, but then we can't pass this order. Both sides are represented as the just like that 4/8 order. Correction of constitutional respect of respondent number 5. Allowing Superintendent of Police to be border Kamrup Metro to be substituted by Deputy Commissioner of Police within bracket border Kamrup Metro Guwahati. Amended constitution to be filed within 2 working days, immediately thereafter in the motion column.
Item 19.
Lordship, kindly pass it to Mr. for the kindly. After some time, Lordship.
After some time. Okay.
Supplementary item 41 for motion.
Yes, which is the best document you have to connect you to your projected parents?
Lordship, as per order, Lordship, amendment the post title, Lordship.
It's okay, we are asking you, which is the best document you have to connect to your projected parents?
Lordship, my humble submission today, I am not prepared, Lordship. Kindly, next week, Lordship. Next week, any date, Lordship.
Okay. We have the record, you want to go through it, is voluminous. Record to 0. Both sides are represented. Next, the counsel for the petitioner has submitted that freshly typed out cost title has been incorporated in it has been filed and incorporated in the writ petition. Next paragraph, the records as called for are received. Next paragraph. The Independent Counsel for the petitioner pays for some time to address the court. Next paragraph. Let the records of the tribunal be handed over to Ms. A. Verma, and its standing counsel for the FT matters for perusal and to address the court on the next date of listing. List on. When do you want?
Yes, sir. Obvious.
When do you want?
Next week, any day.
Next week. Okay, 20 August.
This has been issued, I'm not sure, because it was adjourned, then the second order was to.
No, notice was not issued in this matter. Here, what had happened was, the mistake had happened, we passed an order. After that, we saw the nomenclature were different.
Yes, Lord.
In the meantime, this order was already communicated. And we recorded the order subsequently. Because the amendment of cost title was not there, because the amendment was not carried out. These are those one or two cases where we passed an order, but correction was not done. So now we are changing our orders. We are not issuing. We are no longer issuing notice, and in the meantime, to correct the cost of those orders, we are not passing now.
Right.
Supply item 42 for motion.
None appears on call for the petitioner. Opinion at page 71, dated 16/4/2024, passed by so and so in number 1, FT case number so and so, and another there's another number 2 FT case number so and so. But they were declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner post 25/3/19 St. Fee. Notice. Extra copies within the next notice returnable on 10th September. Extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. The prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. In the meantime, if the petitioner, namely, there's an alias. H2 cost title. So and so is apprehended. She shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next, the petitioner shall produce a certified copy of the order before the Superintendent of Police border Dhubri to bring the order to the notice of the said authority. Ms. Verma, in your case, in this cost title, there's an amendment carried out. Is it available in your copy? Page 3, response number 7, is it included in your copy? No. Just check out.
District Commissioner here.
Huh. Added by hand.
Commissioner is a party lordship.
Added by hand, no.
No, it's not here.
Then in this item 42, let's just check out the cost title. How many respondents are there?
District Commissioner is not a party here.
We don't know, it's added here, that's why we are cross-checking it.
Yes, sir.
Seven. Okay. Next in the next one. Before that, Ms. A. Verma and standing counsel for the FT matters has submitted that the A writ petition is with only 6 respondents has been furnished to them. First off, accordingly, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall ensure that a true copy of the writ petition, which is available on record of the court, be made available to the learned standing counsel for the active matters in course of the day.
Time being item 19.
Your Lordship. My lord, may I kindly see the impugned opinion, page 78. My lord, there are the reasons that there are differences in names and
20.
address.
24. You'll have to wait for some
78.
time.
Impugned order 78.
It's 21/6/24. You'll have to wait for some time for bail.
My lord, I have received the certificate copy with nearly 7 months letter. So my lord, there is delay. Firstly, my lord, my lawyer did not inform me, but when I came to know the impugned order, kindly see the certificate copy. I have filed petition on 10/8/24. It is supplied on 25/2/25. So my lord, the delay is not for my laches or negligence, my lord. This is a special case. Lordship may kindly consider my bail petition. Nearly 7 months they have taken.
Have you annexed the application copy for certified?
Certificate copy, yes, my lord.
Muhammad, and we'll have to give a bail. 7 months they've taken to give a certificate copy. Page 78.
How far that can be, Lordship? We can obtain instructions on that, Lordship.
But they'll be entitled to 7 months they take for copies.
Maybe this is alarming, Lordship.
Ah, yes. Mr. Amy Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner, all the respondents are present. Opinion at page 78, dated 21/6/2024. Passed by so-and-so in case number so-and-so, so-and-so. Thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of 25/3/1971 stream. Notice written within 4 weeks, call for the records. Extra copies within 2 days. Prayer for bail is opposed by the standing counsel for the FT matters. Considering the prosecution, bail of rupees, 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of SP border,
No.
Nagaon. Next para. It is noticed that the notice from the photocopy of the certified copy, which is annexed to this writ petition, that the application for copy was made on 10/8/2024, and the date fixed for delivery of requisite stamps and folios,
Certificate copy, my lord.
and the date of delivery of the certified copy to the applicant is on 25/2/2025, which means there's a delay of about 6 months. Yeah. Moreover, it is noticed that the column for date fixed for notifying of the requisite numbers of stamps and folios is left blank. Under the circumstances, comma.
Lordship, can we get the instructions before Lordship grants him bail? We will get the instructions in a week's time.
Because certificate copy is available, you
This
can't.
is certificate copy, my lord.
No, but
certificate.
If it's a certified copy, we'll say that.
Subjection should
this,
be.
this column cannot be kept empty, Lordship.
That's why we are,
That is the reason I also want to print.
no,
it
we'll
out.
call for the true copy of the register,
Yes, Lord.
the next para on the learned member, foreigners tribunal, third Nagaon, shall ensure that the true copy, true and authenticated copy of the certified copy issue register from 1/8/2024 till 11/8/2025. We also produced before the court along with the records. Next, but accordingly, the court, while the registry, while requisitioning the records, shall also send a requisition for a true and authenticated copy of the certified copy issue register from 1/8/2024 due to 11/8/2025. Next by list transfers. Yes, we are
All right.
Time being item 13.
Yes, Mr. Datta.
From paragraph 2 to 7, Lordship, and explain the cause of delay, Lordship.
Your additional affidavit.
Additional of it.
Mr. Payang. Here also you look at page 215. It'll escalate to a big issue. They don't give the application, date of application or certificate copy. These are not there.
215.
Page 215. Bench assistant is not giving a date. And the last page is at page 231, no date.
Noted. Actually,
We'll keep it open. We'll ask the authorities to make an inquiry because this can't be allowed.
yes. This is not in the format of certified copy, madam.
Yes, page 215,
Yes.
231. Nowhere there's a signature of the issuing authority. Sorry, the date given by the issuing authority on which date this certificate copy was applied, when it was issued. Because now we'll have to direct this Home Department to issue us direction, a notification to all the tribunals so that they, when they are issuing certified copies, they will adhere to the process which we are aware of: date of applying, date of giving folios, date of notifying the date of submission of folios.
In fact, madam, if it is
Those-
certified copy, it should be followed.
No, we don't know, but if you don't have this
Yes.
protocol made,
Probably.
SOP, if it is not there, they will lead to many issues. Because in the additional affidavit, they said that the certificate copy was tracked out and the certificate copies were provided to him on a certain date. Page 236. Last paragraph. This is how they explain it. Mr. Pang, we have some difficulty in accepting these things. And if this is encouraged in the tribunals, it may not be a correct way. You see, in our civil courts and criminal courts, we have a process of inspection of records. So one has to make an application under the criminal code rules and orders or civil code rules and orders and apply for inspection. And that is how you have an access to the records. Otherwise, you are not permitted an access to records. At page 236, the story made out is that he contacted the lawyer. Lawyer said that the records are available in the tribunal. He requests the staff in the tribunal to find out the records. He gives his telephone number, and in his telephone number, the office staff communicates to the petitioner that the records are available. He comes to tribunal, applies, gets the record, and he gives a date when he got the certified copy. This encourages private conversation between an office staff and a proceedee. That's one.
Yes.
Number two, if they don't give the date in the certified copy, we have no way to say that after 3-4 days from 27/5/2025, you got the copy.
But the contention of the petitioner here in the
No,
para 6 of the Madam,
So till you don't show that this is false,
no.
we
Madam,
have to agree.
That's why, Madam, I need to get instruction with regard to this. Because without the inspection, Madam, I cannot say it is false.
No, we understand, but this, we will have to make now, we are compelled to say that you will require to make, because you see, otherwise what happens is that we'll be compelled to say that the tribunal will give us an explanation, which is not permissible. We are exercising certiorari jurisdiction. We can't direct the tribunal to give an explanation what has happened.
Yes.
Therefore, we have no alternative but to direct the Home Department to make a protocol of issuance of certified copy.
But this should be there, Madam.
If they don't notify, everybody will do it as per his whims and
Sounds
fancies.
good.
This has to be stopped. And you see, earlier also today, this is the second matter. In the earlier case also, somebody called and said, told us that they applied for a copy, did not get it. So if there's a robust system where somebody applies and gets copies, there'll be no complaints of this sort.
If copies are applied, Madam, definitely they will be
But
given. I don't know.
you have seen this issues
Yes,
coming
there
up.
are some complaints, Madam.
If complaints are there, we must redress it.
Yes. But if this kind of complaints are, Malad, there are committees, Malad, in fact, they can approach before the issues. This is looking after the entire matter.
Which
Because
one?
The Home Department also taking approach.
No, but still, till date you are not notified. You see, we had passed an judicial order earlier saying that the Home Department will open up a portal where complaints can be lodged. We are not informed if that portal is made operative. I think in this bench, we have passed 2 orders of this sort, where in first one, we have said that if a certified copy is, if some filings are made, petitions are filed, that has to be recorded.
Yes.
And if they don't accept it, then complaints.
Yes.
But we have not been informed by you as to whether this system has been created. So therefore, let us say that a proceeding goes to a tribunal, files a petition, and the tribunal does not receive it, then what happens? He applies for a certified copy, you don't record when the certified copy is applied for. Then what happens?
No, let me get the instruction, Malad, whether their portal is started or not. If it is not started, I will ask them to start it immediately. Secondly, Malad, your lordship, because Malad, the entire.
No, it depends on you. You see, please, I'll make it very clear. Normally, we accept what you say that we'll do it. But in matters like this, we
Yes,
don't want a
this-
personal
this-
communication
this-
even from you to the authorities. Let it be a judicial order so that it can be, a track can be kept off.
Yes,
You
Malad,
see, being a counsel of this court, an officer of the court, we would not like to question you.
yes, Malad, this can be directed, Madam.
Because then we'll have to question you, Mr. Pang, what have you done?
Yes.
Then we'll follow up with you. That's not appropriate, I think. in
This direction may be met, my lord. Following while issuing the certified copy, my lord, they have to follow the process of, my lord, the section.
no, that we can't say, because we are not, you see, this is not a bench. Right now, we are not taking up the matter in a bench,
Yes.
which is handling the, supervising the tribunal. We are passing orders, judicial orders in a particular matter. And we have no other way but to say that it will be the state government who will make a notification. I can't give an order to only one tribunal and leave out others.
Yes.
If a system has to be created, it has to be for all the tribunals.
Then you will, my lord, in the next, my lord, your lordship is sitting in the single bench in that matter, my lord. So we'll place that matter, my lord, in the next as a issue. Your lordship may first matter in that.
We'll just take a break and come back.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we get 2 minutes time to think over also.
Yes. My lord, I have been instructed. Look, in fact, I tried to get the inquiry, make an inquiry, whether this kind of certified copies are allowed. Well, the tribunal, in particular, that tribunal, my lord, it has been confirmed that they generally provide in due format, my lord. They provide certified copy in due format. For last 1 year, they are following.
No, but you see, knowing Mr. Datta for quite some time,
Yep.
we can't disbelieve him.
Yes, my lord, definitely. That's why, my lord, I tried to get
But
what.
he is not only standing here in front of us, and he has also connects this to the writ petition. Then what we'll say is that the Home Department will file an affidavit. Whatever ground they want to take, they will take. Then we'll see what orders we can pass. And insofar as Mr. Datta is concerned, we are satisfied with his
Explanation.
with his divinity in the court for quite some time.
Did the matter come next week, my lord? I'll get the details inspection from government also.
And we are in my earlier life there, he was adversary in many cases. I don't have a grievance against him. So therefore, we won't question Mr. Datta for that. His annexed document, it is for your authorities to say, we are not satisfied in the manner in which certified copies are made.
Yes, my lord, definitely this is not the
And you see,
format.
the problem is only that, what you have said. You make an inquiry, they say that this is how we issue a certified copy, and certified copy are before us. Had it been judicial order, and then that submission would have come from the tribunal, we would have called the tribunal in the court.
Okay.
It would have amounted to the tribunal committing a criminal misconduct. And if it affects the administration of justice, would have issued a contempt notice, even to the tribunal. We can't issue certified copies like that and make statement to you that we are issuing orders in that manner. But then the only alternative to us, Mr. Payang, please consider your statement. The only, we record this, and only thing available to us is to direct the commissioner, the Home Department to file an FIR against the superintendent who should issue this bench decision, who put the certified copy, drop a proceeding against him. You weigh your own statement and then tell us what to do.
But let it come out next week, my lord, I will get the details in fact of what's happening, what is happening here.
Okay.
Then I'll get a clear picture.
No, you get a clear picture, but we still don't get.
Yes,
We have
no, I'm
hundreds of
not,
questions.
I'm not, my lord, objecting my.
Not that,
friend.
but question is that we want to be satisfied. If this
Yes,
is
yes.
happening, it is wrong.
Yes. No, definitely
It-
this
it
process
affects
is
the
wrong, my
administration
lord.
of
This
justice,
cannot be, this cannot be continued.
Advocate cannot be allowed to come to court and then say that he's applied for certified copy, is not getting it. He's getting a certified copy on this date, that date, and the certified copy doesn't say that.
Earlier, lordship, the tribunal,
Hmm?
earlier, lordship, the same tribunal issued a certified copy that is at page 69, lordship.
59,
69.
69.
It was after cancelling the ticket, they have write the petition number as well as date. But in this copy, it is not there.
Good. Mr. Yu Datta, I'm counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are there. We could possibly give the names. By filing this representation in Article 226 of the Constitution of India, opinion dated page 215, dated 17/5/2023, passed by so in case number so-and-so. Then there is a police reference case number so-and-so. They were declaring the petition to be a foreigner post 25 1971 stream. Next, in order to explain the delay, the learned counsel for the petitioner has referred to the stand taken in the additional affidavit filed on 11/8/2025, wherein, amongst others, it has been stated that the certified copy of the opinion was handed over on 17/5/2023. Next paragraph. Notice returnable on 10/9/2025. Extra copies within 2 days. Let the relevant records be called for from the concerned tribunal. Next paragraph. Having noted that in the photocopy of the certified copy of the impugn opinion dated 17/5/2023, which is annexed to the writ petition, the date of application, date of which page was in earlier opinion, that page 69. Okay. Which was it, earlier opinion? You were showing us page number
Earlier 69.
69.
Yes.
Date of application of copy, date of notifying the requisite numbers of stamps and folios, comma, date of delivery of the requisite stamps and folios, comma, date on which the copy was ready for delivery, and date for making over of the certificate copy to the applicant are not there. Full stop. Accordingly, comma, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has paid for some time to obtain instructions and to inform the court as to the manner in which certified copies are issued by the foreigners traveling in the state. Next para. Be that as it may, that the prayer for bail shall be considered on the receipt of records. Next para. However, comma, it is provided that in the event the petitioner, namely Muhammad Abdul Salam, is apprehended, comma, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next para. The petitioner shall produce a certified copy of the order before the Superintendent of Police, within bracket border, because Morigaon. Next para. List on 10/9/2025. Yes, calling for the records, just say the following email address of the tribunal. Okay.
I would like to.
Sure.
Upgraded item 34.
Yes, please.
Looks like in this case, the petitioner is still in jail. His bail application was rejected by the Honorable Court on 13/5/2025. Although the validity of the prevention order has been already expired. But it can be closed. Look.
Question would be whether he's been released.
No, your lordship is
Lordship,
still languishing in jail.
He's in jail in a connection with another case.
Okay, and what is the case number?
Case number, Lordship, NDPS case number 16/24.
Just a moment. NDPS case number
16/24.
1616.
16.
So he's presently in custody suffering, presently in custody in connection with this case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we close the matter then.
Sir.
Since the validity of the detention order is already expired.
ये इसका validity खत्म हो गया। ना उचित नहीं लगता।
Heard Miss
Yes,
A.
sir.
Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Are you on record? You're appearing on behalf of the council.
Lordship, I'm on record also, but I'm appearing on behalf of my senior S. Ahmed. Presently, he is out of station.
Pardon me?
Presently, he is out of station.
No, it's okay. I'm just wanting to get it very clear. So this is what you call criminal reputation for a challenging detention. I must record the name of correct counsel. That is the item number 34. Oh, yes, yes. A. Hussain and counsel for the petitioner, as well as Mr. S.C. Kyal, standing counsel for the NCB, representing the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Sorry, 2. One will be CGC. Mr. Mr. K. Goel, CGC, appearing for respondent number 1. And Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior government advocate, appearing for respondent number 3. Next paragraph. The detention order dated 19/2/2024 passed by the competent authority and the PIT NDPS Act has been assailed in this writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. It is noted that during the pendency of this writ petition, the validity of the said detention order dated 19/2/2024 where is the confirmation order?
In February 24.
Hmm?
19 February 24.
Page 24.
Page
24.
24.
Actually,
No, 24 is the grounds.
I'm sorry.
This is the grounds. Where is the order of confirmation? Okay, which was confirmed, and the detention was confirmed by order dated 8/5/2024.
Yeah.
Which was for 1 year from the date of detention has already expired. Next paragraph. The learned standing counsel for the FD matters has submitted that notwithstanding that the preventive detention of the petitioner under PIT NDPS Act has expired, but the petitioner is in custody in connection with another proceedings, which is NDPS case number 16 of 2024, which is presently being tried before the Court of Special Judge within NDPS.
Additional district and session judge number 1.
Additional district and sessions, additional session judge number 1. Amrupendra Guwahati.
Not so.
Next paragraph. In view of this the statement made at the bar that the validity of the detention order dated 19/2/2024 has already lapsed by effects of time. This repetition has become infructuous, so accordingly, this repetition stands closed. Much without privilege to the petitioner in connection with NDPS case number 16 of 2024. Much.
Upgraded item 36.
Yeah, please, Your Lord. My lord, this IA is filed for condemnation of delay, my lord. For about 2053 days. My lord.
In your application, you have not even mentioned the date, the number of days of delay.
2053 days, my lord. So here in this case, we are appearing as legal aid counsel. my lord.
We have seen that. Does this matter on 20 August 2025, along with the records of WPC 3602 of 2019, which was disposed of by order dated 7/8/2019. We'll examine the records by the pass orders. This will be in IA 1741.
Obliged, my lord.
Just say both sides are represented. Right, this side,
Is 20.
along
My
with
lord,
records
can,
options.
can it be on 22nd, my lord?
22nd,
Yes,
okay,
20
22nd.
20 Deeply obliged.
Upgraded item 37.
To dispose of treasure, I have to make it.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, my lord, we have filed IA, my lord, for consideration of extension of interim, my lord. And on the last occasion, my lord, your lordship proposed to decide the entire matter because, my lord, the issue, my lord, electronic signed voter list was not accepted as evidence. This is the issue involved in this case. And while your lordship, my lord, decided to dispose of the matter, found some discrepancy in the name, my lord, and your lordship granted liberty to us, my lord, to file additional affidavit. We have filed, my lord. The findings of the,
It's not available
we have filed, my lord. We have filed
on
on, my lord, 11/6, my lord,
11/6. 11/6.
11/6.
No, there's something there's some, there must be some defect. Okay. Both sides are represented. Mr. R. Anil and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that on 11/6/2025, the petitioner has filed an affidavit as Come to God. Oh, my sister has a copy. Oh. Hey, affidavit to ऐसे कर दीजिए, second copy ना आए. you are relying on the passport. Correct.
In the additional
In the additional affidavit, only one copy is there, but it's with the file of my esteemed sister. This. But now you see, in your writ petition,
lost.
you are basically trying to rely and connect yourself to Surat Ali Sheikh. If you can please come to your opinion.
Opinion, my lord, page 60, observation, my lord, page 63, my lord.
Yes, in 61, you say that
Page
the following documents are exhibited. Someone's witness, OPD to one Surat Ali Sheikh, son of so and so. That is the first paragraph, say page 61 in the third paragraph.
Page, my lord,
Page 61,
61.
DW1 is Surat Ali Sheikh. And then you see you are connecting yourself with this. The exhibit H at page 64. That is the registered sale deed in the name of Surat Ali Sheikh. But again, you have a passport. You say your father had a passport in the name of Surat Ali.
Surat Ali.
Then
And in the cross, my lord, he also signed as Surat Ali, my lord. In the cross, my lord, before the tribunal, my lord, page,
page,
original, my lord, page 56.
page
56, my lord.
56,
Certified copy, my lord.
56.
53. Signature of.
But then who is this Surat Ali Sheikh
Now, my
then?
lord, in page 44, my lord, in my deposition, my lord, paragraph 3, my lord. Page 44, my lord. My father name is Surat Ali, alias Surat Ali Sheikh. Just,
No.
Sorry.
Here there is something more.
Lord.
Please come to page 50 first.
50.
50. Now here you say, handwritten is, my name is so and so, son of Surat Ali Sheikh.
In cross, my lord, Lord.
Huh? Now next page, page 51, is Surat Ali and Sheikh is cut off.
Lord.
Correct. Now come to paragraph 3, subparagraph. We have 5 brothers, namely Surat Ali Sheikh. Again, you see, come to the next paragraph, next page, page 52. Again, paragraph 5, Surat Ali Sheikh. 6, Surat Ali Sheikh.
In the voter list of 70, my lord, his name was.
Yes, Surat Ali Sheikh, but
Lost.
97 and 2005, you come and say that you are Surat Ali.
Surat, in the subsequent voter list, my lord, Surat.
Yes, and this voter list, sorry, the passport which you made in 2013 of your father, then it's Surat Ali.
So in the title, my lord, in some document Sheikh is inserted, in some document, my lord, Sheikh is not here. Now, my lord, tribunal, my lord, did not discuss all this, my lord, discrepancy. Tribunal discarded everything because electronic voter list was placed. Now, whether electronic voter list is, my lord, admissible in the eye of law, that is the issue, my lord. So my humble submission, my lord, matter remanded, my lord. This case is covered by judgment of Mamta Bhumik's case, my lord.
Just examine this record, page 20. This is only one of the documents. There are many voters list. This is that true English translation of the certified copy of electoral roll. We are also sending you this, the manual. And in this certified copy, which is available at page 20, is noted that the authenticity can be verified from the website of so and so. Just check it.
Authenticity was proved by the tribunal, my lord. That was recorded.
So, moment.
In the page 63, my lord, it was bottom, my lord. Page 63, last paragraph.
No, not that. This will still be, we'll hear you on this point. We'll assemble again after lunch. The issue here would be that a certified copy, as per the judgments of this court passed earlier, this is a translated version. And that in respect of the translation version, there already exists an order of the court. I won't remember it immediately. Mr. Sharma will be able to tell you. So, in light of that, we'll hear you. Both of that order, because it is, although it is certified to be true, but as per the election manual, it can only be in Assamese. Therefore, if a translation is done, we will have to hear it and then find it out whether it can be, that can be permissible. We'll assemble after lunch. Yes, there are in fact 2 or 3 issues involved here. We have already told Mr. Islam, one of the issues would also be, you see, just take I'm giving an example. It may not be appropriate, but still it's an example only. I have today morning, I have passed orders in English. Now, can a certified copy be issued in Assamese? Because certified would be only that which is there in the original, so it is not there. So previous judgments of the court says that it must be proved through the competent witness. That is the law laid down in this. But now we have also a judgment which is shown by him that it is, if it is certified copy, then it will be acceptable. Now we are pitted with one opinion of the court against another. But primarily what we understand in a general language is that if there is a document, it is the replica of the document which can be issued as a certified copy. What happens if it is translated? That is the issue which you have to address. Just a moment, let Mr. Ali submit first. So after that, we'll hear you. Yes. Hmm? Yes. Yes. ISIRON. Yes.
There was no certification by the provider. Not case 7, case 6 is up. Case 6. They have to comply with it.
Paragraph number? Just a moment. 6. Yes. Say to.
This position is not a people who exhibit A and B because there is no certification by the competent authority certifying that they are capable. They accept a true copy of the document.
Yes. Yes.
In this case, my lord, they are
Yes. But this is the language. It says this is a true translation, true English translation of Assamese version of certified electoral roll. It doesn't say certified copy. It says this is a true English translation of Assamese version of certified electoral roll. The certificate is digitally signed. Can be verified. The certificate is certification under 65B of the. Okay. Have you given you that copy? That copy is. Oh, acha, Mamta Bhumik. Mamta Bhumik. Yes. Just a moment.
The document is also by the authority and that will be kind of. And when you
Before you will hear Mr. Ali, so that this issue is clarified. Please repeat again. We have missed it. Please repeat again.
The file any petition, just this they when they require list, they have to apply in this. And their application, they have to compare with their original voter list, they have to verify it is certificate, and their application is against their PDF is supplied to the petitioner.
Your statement appears to be correct. Because that is why these English copies are available.
Yes.
There can be no other explanation.
Make sure that
can
these are
we-
authentic, Lordship. They have
Can we ask you to give file an affidavit through your competent authority?
as regards,
Because this is an issue which comes up in every case.
not so.
So if an affidavit can be filed here, because we'll have to, you see, there are two issues here. Number one, you already have a judgment.
Gotcha.
And therefore, we have to consider that in light of the subsequent judgment of Mamta Bhomik.
Gotcha.
And therefore, if an affidavit is filed, we can take into consideration the explanation.
Gotcha.
But that is the only hitch here.
That's that.
If Mr. Ali's Mr. Ali's case, if these three voters list are seen, then it appears to be the same person.
Same person. And even I have scanned it, Lordship. It comes from the website. These are genuine documents, and the application. There are two ways, Lordship. You can take the application number to the e-district website, Lordship. And the other is if you can scan the barcode that is being given down below. In both ways, I have seen that has been applied and
It's
are
studying.
two copies.
So if that be so, then we must have an affidavit so that if one is a genuine citizen, then he can't be
Gotcha.
what do you call, excluded only because this certificate copy issue is there. And this is not in only one case, it may be hundreds of cases we have like that. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say? Mr. Ali, for the time being only, this was the issue. If you have another work, you may do.
Judgment is Lordship has already pointed out Lordship. Judgment is very much clear, Lordship. Although it is stated that Lordship.
No, but then we can change the code question to you.
Lordship.
What happens if you apply for a certified copy of the order passed today and it is generated to you and given to you in SMS? What will you do? Now you see in our website, you have your mobile, just take out the website. Then you will get SMS version of few judgments which we are uploading regularly.
Okay.
The SMS version of our judgments are now available in the website in SMS. We have not been able to do it because the software, there's some glitches in the software. So we have to manually get it verified. That is taking us time, but you'll find a lot of judgments. You've seen that in SMS?
Yeah.
So our judgments are now being translated and put up in SMS in our website. So even a common man who is a litigant, they can't come and say that we don't know what was written there. We are trying our effort, but there are some glitches for which the requisite number of orders could not be uploaded. It's a continuous task which is going on. This is there for about more than nearly 2 years now. May not be 2 years, but almost be 2 years now. We are doing it. So if that be so, we give an opportunity that we ask for an affidavit. If the ACA can clarify. Okay. Mr. Ali, there is prayer for extension. We are not satisfied. But as far as your submission on merit, we'll examine that. In the repetition, you say. It's a first written order in this IA. Heard Mr. R. earlier, the counsel for the applicant as well as all the respondents are there. Next, brother. This is an application by which the applicant, who is the petitioner in the connected writ petition, connected writ petition, i.e. WBC 6465 of 2022, is praying for extension of time granted by order dated 30/9/2022 in the said WBC 6465 of 2022 for appearing before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, bracket Dhubri, and to take bail. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the petitioner has referred to the statements made in paragraph 3 of this interrogatory, of this interrogatory application. Project that the petitioner comes from a poor strata of the society and is working as a mason in different parts of in different states. It is projected that after filing of the said writ petition, the applicant had gone out to Delhi for work, and he came back only in February 2025. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that during these days the petitioner could not, the applicant could not contact his engaged counsel, and due to communication gap, he was not aware of his requirement to appear before the Superna Police within bracket border, bracket code Dhubri, within the time allowed and to take bail. Next one, where so made in this application is opposed by the learned triangles for the empty matters. Next para. Having filed a writ petition wherein interim prayer for bail was made, and the same having been allowed, it was a duty on cast on the applicant to comply with the terms of the bail which was granted by order dated 30/9/2022, passed in the said WBC 6465 of 2022. It's from the explanation that the applicant, in connection with his work as a mason, had left for Delhi after filing of the writ petition and came back only in February 2025 is absolutely vague. And not believable, as it does not inspire confidence of the court on the statement made. Just having engaged our counsel to represent him, if the statement made in the writ petition is accepted, then the petitioner did not make an endeavor to contact with his learned counsel for almost 3 years. Therefore, in this case, the petitioner is guilty of delay and laches in not taking bail in terms of the order dated 30/9/2022, passed in WBC 6465 of 2022. So accordingly, the prayer for extension of time for the petitioner to take bail in terms of the said order is rejected, and also resultantly, this application is dismissed. In the connected writ petition will say hard dismissal. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the impugned order dated 22/2/20 impugned opinion dated 22/2/2022 passed by the London member, Foreigners Tribunal number 1st, Dhubri, in FT case number 5195/D/11 is assailed on the ground that the learned tribunal did not consider the exhibited electoral rolls of the year 1966 within bracket Exhibit A, 1970 within bracket Exhibit B, 1977 within bracket Exhibit C. On the ground that the said voters lists were all electronically certified extract of translated copy of the electoral roll, which was not proved by any authority. And in this regard, he places reliance on the case of Isiron Nessa, ISIRON, NESSA versus Union of India, 2019, within bracket, 2019 is within bracket, 4 GLR 685. Next para. Per contra, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters, by relying on the decision of this court in the case of Mamta Bhomik, MAMATA. Or Isiron is ulta. This instead of Isiron, it will be Mamta Bhomik. So just. It will be Mamta Bhomik versus Union of India. Citation is 2019, within bracket 2019, bracket goes 6 GLR 219, equivalent to 2019, within bracket 2, bracket goes GLT 591. And then countering the same, the understanding of the FT matters places reliance on the decision of this court in the case of Isiran Nessa versus Union of India, 2019, within bracket closed 4 GLR 4685. And it is submitted that I'm again making a mistake. Right. It is submitted that the law is well settled by the said judgment that a translated copy of the voters list cannot be constituted as a certified copy and therefore cannot be treated as a secondary evidence. So it is submitted that the said decision of this court was not considered or placed before this court when the case of Mamta Bhomik within bracket Supra was decided. Next paragraph. Under these circumstances, having noted that the petitioner has placed reliance on a certified copy of the electoral roll of 1966, 1970 and 1977 within bracket Exhibit A. No, not Exhibit A, it will be Annexure 1, 2 and 3. Which are in respect of which, it is stated in the said certified copy that, inverted commas, this is true English translation of Assamese version of certified electoral roll, invert comma closed, Or the court is intent to direct the Election Commission of India within bracket respond number 3 to have a duly authorized officer to swear and file an affidavit regarding the circumstances in which the English translated certificate copies are being issued by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner within within bracket, now redesignated as the Office of the District Commissioner in the state of Assam. Next paragraph, the learned standing counsel for the Election Commission of India shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the competent authorities as to enable them to file an affidavit in the matter. Next paragraph, the learned counsel for the petition shall provide one extra copy of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel for the ECI to enable him to communicate with the authorities of the Election Commission of India. How much time, Mr. Adi?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. You suggest a date, there is a calendar in front of you.
28. 28.
28, okay. This is the matter on 29/8/2025. So the affidavit shall be filed at least 1 day prior to the next date of listing. Please give me a copy. Do you need a soft copy or soft copy do you have? No.
If you give me a copy, I'll.
Okay, we'll do it. Okay.
Item 8.
In your case, they have found, they've got instructions. This
Yes, I have.
notice is not there.
Yes.
So somebody can file an affidavit so that you can then
Yes.
take appropriate steps.
Yes. Sir. I will ask the SP to mother confirm it by the
Hmm?
SP. We can.
Yes. Pardon me? No, that's okay, but he says that no such has been issued. So they'll have to file an affidavit before we proceed any further. Mr. F.Z. Mazumdar, and the counsel for the petitioner is present. Next paragraph. So J. Pang, understanding counsel for the FT matters, has submitted that he has received oral instructions to the effect or oral instructions which suggests that the notice which is annexed to this writ petition is annexure A may not be an authenticate copy. Just of how, he waits for a written instructions. Next paragraph. In view of the set submissions of the learned standing counsel for the FT matters, comma, we deem it appropriate that the Superintendent of Police, within bracket border, Kachhar, shall cause an affidavit to be filed by an authorized officer regarding Annexure A to the writ petition, which is a copy of purported notice issued by the Foreigners Tribunal which is this tribunal, Foreigners Tribunal,
Sixth,
sixth, Kachhar Council Chair. At least 1 day prior to the next date of, the said affidavit shall file at least 1 day prior to the next date of listing. Next, part, the non-standing counsel for the FT matters shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the respondent number 4 to bring the order to the notice of the said authority. Okay, here again, there is a problem. Your cost title is 1, thereafter 3, so you don't have 2. Don't write 3, then you say that you said Superintendent of Police border Kachhar. You make correction in your cost title, you file an IA and correct it. Next para, list on, Mr. Trying, suggest a date when you file an affidavit.
26th, but 27th.
This on the 29th, affidavit shall be filed at least 1 day prior to the next policy. Okay. No, you'll have to file an IA. After in view of the notifications, for amendment of the cost title, you will file an IA, unless it is ordered by the court.
Upgraded item 38.
We issue a notice on this, we always say that for the timing you're not to be reported. Because we are questioning also the mentality in the order of 26/6/2025. We issue a notice on here also.
Or if he is in detention, that his father be allowed to file the written statement, and he has all the documents for him. One mistake he has done, that way he misunderstood the thing, he has done that mistake.
No, it's okay, we are not saying anything, but for the time being,
He has been 26 May, he is behind the bar. At least through his father, he has all the relevant documents, and there is no shifting. If through his father, if Ms. Honorable Court allows him to file his written statement for the target tribunal, let him be in detention and.
no, but the explanation, we are really not satisfied. the explanation tendered is not really acceptable.
That he has to go. Even the Gaugura also.
No, we are not,
Understand that he has to go.
so we are not making any comment. Mm,
Standard officer.
No, we are not making any comment, but we still issue a notice here.
And very formal. I think record is also not something. Very formal case. Speed of that is not easy. Based on the notice being issued by the superintendent of police. Thereafter, that inquiry, that inquiry form is not there.
You see, the difficulty is that under the Foreigners Tribunal's orders or the act or anywhere, we don't find a form. So what is happening is that last time in a different matter, Mr. Payang had made a submission that the forms which were there, form A, B, and then the others, those were copied from the erstwhile IMDT Act. And under the present law for the timing in force, it doesn't have the form. So even if it is not there because an inquiry was made and a reference is made, but once it's not there. It's not there, but an inquiry has been made. There's a you'll find here, you just see this, page 10. Just see this. Because this was earlier a IMDT case. After the IMDT, I don't remember because really didn't check that much. No, I don't know, but what I remember is that this, what I remember is that this was an IMDT case. After IMDT case, it was referred again back to the SP office, and SP office made a reference that is at page 10. Converted into, first line would be converted into FT case. And at the top, there's a ghost at the top, you'll find. And then there's a IMDT case reference made there.
To see where the SP has referred to family. That part has this. Because in the inquiry form, if we see the other.
No, that you will find in the first page, order sheet, first order. Received a reference from so and so. No, the order sheet.
That they have to sign and send. So that is only my query. That is missing aspect. Because this is
Give it to Mr. Payang because I did not.
Can make an inquiry. So based on that, this is done on 5/7/2005. So reference has to be subsequent to that. Order was being passed by the superintendent of police. Order.
Please look at it in a different angle. in the top, you will find reconverted. Then there's IMDT case number.
IMDT case number I have three.
Yes.
1471.
Correct. So IMDT case is a case which is not registered in the Thana or by the SP. It must go to the tribunal to have it.
So that, whose reports are important? That report, where it is, if it's an incomplete report of this.
But if it's not there, it's not there because
Then it will be, because he has
No, then-
directed. My query is that notice on 5th of July 2005. SP has directed one SI Akbar Ali Ahmed. to
no, we'll get it. Records, finding out records is not difficult because they will have to just get it from the
Yes.
concerned foreigners tribunal. If you need that, this will again cause delay in your matter. But we'll get it in the meantime. We are issuing a notice so that in the IA we get an order. In the IA, Mr. Payang, we are issuing a notice for releasing him on bail. And in the main case, we issue a direction to call for that record also. The record has been received in this case. Now, what is this IMDT case will be from where? From foreigners tribunal number first. No. IMDT will be in number 1. It will not go to 5th. Because there is no order to call for that record. You see that it's not there. But I have not read that thoroughly. I may miss something because that was not the focus to
Yes, ma'am.
peruse the records.
I believe that I did a blunder. But at
No, we
least one
understand.
charge, query, when-
You understand?
Let me behind the bar, that also I'm paying for the term. Let me be behind the bar. Let me allow to file my written statement to my father. Initially my father has approached the court.
No, that is impermissible. Because unless we set aside the order, you can't be permitted to file a written statement. And once we set aside the order, then he can't be detained. So, no, we are not making any comment. We are right now, when we are not passing orders, we are not making any comment, but we give a notice. You give 2 weeks notice, you file an objection if you want. Ms. D. Ghosh, and counsel for the petition applicant, all the respondents, next issue notice on this interlocutory application for bail, which is made returnable on 27/8/2025. So requisite extra copies of this interlocutory application be furnished to the runner CGC, State and Department Council in the course of the day. Next by list on so and so. And in the main writ petition, you write also as a represented. Next by on the prayer made by learned counsel for the petitioner. Let the records of so and so IMDT case. Page 10. Be requisitioned from the foreigners tribunal number 1st, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. Let's go. Mr. Payang, we were just thinking that would it be also required to pass an order so that the office of this Superintendent of Police border, they can check out if they have any record. Hmm? So we give a direction to whom? To Forest Tribunal first or? He may collect it, okay. Then modify the order. Deem it appropriate to direct the Superintendent of Police border, Kamru Metro. Huh? Deputy Commissioner of Police, Kamru Metro, Guwahati, to have the records of IMDT case number so and so corrected wherever it is presently lying, and to produce it before the court through the Superintendent of Police, through the learned standing council. Next para, the learned standing council for the FT matters shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Kamru Metro, Guwahati, to do the needful. Next para, the concerned Foreigners Tribunal is presently holding the records of IMDT case number so and so. IMDT case number. IMDT police case number 1471/05, correct? Okay. 1471. The learned counsel for the petitioner is referred to the records of FT case number 348 of 2016, arising out of police, arising out of police case number 1471 of 2005. Also referred to as case number IM within bracket D, bracket was T, Act, case number 1471 of 2005, dated 5/7/2005. And it is submitted that though an inquiry was directed to be made, but the record does not contain any document by which a reference was submitted by the Superintendent of Police, Border, Kamrup Metro, for registration of the for answering the reference. Next para. We have perused all the 21 pages available in the records of FT case number 348 of 2016, which has been received from the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal, Kamrup Metro, 5th, Guwahati. Accordingly, as the letter of reference is not found available, the records are handed over to the learned standing counsel for the FT matters, so as to enable the authorities of the Deputy Commissioner in the establishment of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Border, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. And to inform the court as to whether, as to the manner in which the reference was made. Same date. So, we are giving you this record. You can receive it, that you can show it to them. You're fixing the same date. You'll receive it on the court master. 28th is Thursdays. We are reserving few days for hearing. It goes for 29th then. 29th? Okay. A few old matters we have not been able to dispose of any. That's very.
Item 20 for admission.
Yes. Acha, okay. Mr. Sharma, for returning of the documents, since this is a tribunal's record and we are exercising certiorari jurisdiction, we intend to send this matter to the tribunal. The original records, they'll be the competent authority to return it back. This is from which place? Jorhat. Uh, Heard Mr. H. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as so and so for the respondents. Next para. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that he has instructions that the applicant would be applying for registration before the competent authorities, claiming the benefit of section what is that provision? Six A. Six A, right? Under section 6A of the Citizenship Act. So accordingly, he prays that the may be permitted to take back the certificate copy of the original exhibits which is available in the records. Next para. For the return of exhibited documents, or the codes of the considered opinion that as the records which has been called for is from the concerned foreigners tribunal at Jorhat, it would be appropriate that the records be returned to the said authority just to enable the Learned Foreigners Tribunal, Jorhat, to enter an application by the applicant for return of exhibited documents and do the needful. Next para, the Learned Tribunal, on dealing with the application made by the petitioner for return of documents, shall pass appropriate orders and send back the records back to this court for being considered in connection with WBC 5466 of 2018. Next part, the order be brought to the notice of the AOJ FT section. Next para, list the matter again. Give a date after 6 weeks. At appropriate provision of the Citizenship Act. Okay. After 6 weeks. 24/9.
Item 21 for admission.
Which was the page opinion? Opinion at page number? Is it page 28? No. Yes. You have exhibited how many documents? Exhibit A to I. Mr. Sharma, this has to be remanded back. This has to be remanded back. Except come to page 29. except referring to Exhibit B, paragraph 5, paragraph 6, Exhibit B, paragraph 7, Exhibit J. No other document was referred to.
Page
Page 29.
20.
28 is the opinion. Paragraph 4, page 28, A to J. Paragraph 4. You found it?
Yes, Proceed.
Page 28.
Yes, Proceed.
Now come to page 29. Para 5, Exhibit B, second line.
Yes, Proceed.
Para 6, first line, Exhibit B.
Yes, Proceed.
Paragraph 7, second line, Exhibit J.
J.
No other exhibit discussed.
Yes, Proceed. Only
Sending it back.
background only, Lord.
You succeed. But you did not argue, you have to argue. You are prepared. Okay. Heard. Miss T. Begum, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard since the respondents. Next paragraph. By filing this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner, namely Ainal Khan, AYNAL, Ainal Khan, has assailed the opinion dated 13/9/2018, passed by the learned member from a Foreigners Tribunal, 3rd, Borpeta, in FT case number at page 28. So this is Roman 3, huh? Not 3rd, Roman 3, page 28. FT case number so and so, IMDT reference number so and so, thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner post 25/3/1971 stream. No, not 25/3/1971 stream. You say is a illegal migrant, oblique foreigner under section 2 within bracket small a, bracket close of the Foreigners Act from 1946. Next para. From the manner in which the opinion has been rendered, it is noted that although the petitioner who had appeared as DW1 and had exhibited 10 documents as Exhibit A, TO to Exhibit J, but which is found mentioned in paragraph 4 of the impugned opinion, but in paragraph 5 and 6 of this impugned opinion, the learned tribunal has only dealt with Exhibit B. And in paragraph 7 of the said opinion, the learned tribunal has only referred to Exhibit J. And in the entire opinion, no other document has been referred to. Full stop. Next para. In this regard, although the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has made its submissions in support of the impugned opinion, but the court is of the considered opinion that it is a bounden duty of the learned tribunal to refer to the readings and evidence of the proceedee. So in this case, the petitioner had examined himself as DW1 and exhibited 10 documents as referred above. And he has also examined the Gambura as DW2, who had issued a Gambura certificate to stop. Though in paragraph 9 of the impugned opinion, the evidence of the DW2 was discussed, but no reference is made to the exhibited documents or contents thereof. Next, therefore, in this case, the impugned opinion dated 13/9/2018, passed by the learned member from Foreigners Tribunal 3 Barpeta in Swenso, is found to be vitiated by non-consideration of pleadings or evidence on record. Accordingly, the court is inclined to hold the said opinion dated 13/9/2018 as unsustainable on facts and in law for non-consideration of all the exhibited documents. Next, resultantly, the court has no hesitation to set aside the said impugned opinion dated 13/9/2018, passed by Swansman, page 28. Next para, for the said reason, as no evidence has been discussed, court does not find any reason to burden this order with the pleadings and evidence tendered by the DW1 and 2. Next para, resultantly, the proceedings of FT case number 786 within bracket Roman 3 bracket close of 2013 is remanded back to the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal 3 Barpeta, just to enable the said learned tribunal to restore the said proceedings to file and to hear both sides and to pass an appropriate order of the strength of pleadings and evidence which is available on record. Next para, the petitioner is directed, the petitioner, namely so-and-so, is directed to appear before the learned member of Foreigners Tribunal 3 Barpeta on or before (11/9/2025) and by producing a certified copy of this order, wait for further instructions of the orders from the said learned tribunal. Next para, it is made clear that if the petitioner fails to enter appearance before the said learned tribunal within the time allowed, it would be open to the said learned tribunal to treat the petitioner is absent on call or without any requirement to issue any fresh notice. And by treating the petitioner as absent on call, it will be permissible for the said learned traveler to pass a fresh opinion in accordance with law, however, after considering all the pleadings and evidence on record. Registry should send back the record expeditiously to the concerned tribunal. Along with the 2 copies of this order.
Item 22.
Lordship kindly adjourn this matter for few weeks, Lordship.
Pardon me?
Lordship, kindly adjourn this matter for few weeks, Lordship.
Few weeks.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, he is not claiming citizenship under car, Lordship.
Okay, you have spoken to Mr. Mehdi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Mehdi, we adjourn it then?
All documents I have, I don't have any.
No, either you argue on merit or you accept what is saying. The adjournment is.
On his benefit, Lordship. On his benefit, Lordship.
Is for you. We are not compelling you to take that path. It is open for you. If you argue on merit, we'll take it up.
According to my line.
No, that's why we are adjourning. He is making a consistent prayer all throughout for last about a week. We explored the possibility, not that we are ready to take up the matter for hearing.
What comes out, Lordship, I don't know. But Lordship.
Hmm?
What comes out, Lordship, I don't know. But Lordship, for few weeks, Lordship, matter may be adjourned.
It's okay.
Yes.
You tell us when we'll list it after a month.
Lordship, if possible, Lordship, after Puja vacation, Lordship.
That will be too long because you're not adjourning that long. It's an old matter, 2019.
Yes, Lordship, then 4 weeks time may be allowed, Lordship. 4 weeks.
Okay.
6 months.
So taking it up on 10th of September.
Lordship.
Okay. Mr. A.R. Mehdi, counsel for the petitioner. As well as Mr. G. Sharma, and I stand, all sides are represented. Mr. A.R. Mehdi, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. G. Sharma, and I stand also for the matters. Wait for an adjournment. Just to enable the petitioner to explore the possibility of.
That part not prepared, Lordship.
Huh?
That part not prepared, Lordship, only adjournment. Simple adjournment.
Okay, please for adjourn, prayer is allowed. List on 10/9/2025.
Upgraded item 29 for admission.
What is the best document you have to connect you to your projected parents? Hmm? What is that? No, don't show us voter list. Anything apart from voter list you have to connect you to your projected parents? I'm not getting you. Please repeat again. Younger brother deposed. Which is the voter list where your younger brother appears along with you or your projected parents? Page 40. Who is DW2? What is his name? It's very difficult to accept. You come to page 58. Yes. 58 is your written statement. In your written statement, you say that from your stepmother, you have Raviul Sheikh. Here you don't say an alias. You annex a voters list of Raviul Sheikh. And then in your evidence, your brother says that he's Raviul Haq and Raviul Sheikh, the same person. That's not what you said. Just a moment. And where is your own voter list? Page 32. You are with any of your siblings or your father? Mr. Sharma, you are giving him bail in the meanwhile. All the voters list are of the same village. There appears to be no shifting.
Yes. Otherwise, there is no link at all.
Heard Mr. K.M. Hassan, and counsel for the petitioner, as well as also for the respondents. Next paragraph. Pursuant to order dated 23/6/2025, all the records of the tribunal is received. And the learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for bail. Next paragraph, the prayer for bail is opposed by the learned standing counsel for the FT matters. Next paragraph. On a perusal of records and on a consideration of materials on a record, as well as the projection made in this repetition, or the court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner. So bail of rupees 5,000. 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 with the satisfaction of SP border, Dhubri. Next, as the records are received, or the court is inclined to issue rule returnable forthwith without requiring any fresh steps to be taken. Next, this is the matter for hearing in the week commencing 1/9/2025. Item number 330, okay. Okay. Not Thursday, we'll take it up on Wednesday. Thursday, we have difficulty. We are fixing some old matters for hearing. Hmm? No. No, that's why, if we take it up on 13th, 13th is Wednesday, we take it on that day. Thursdays and Tuesdays, we are reserving. Okay. You have got the report?
Lordship, I have to, at present, I don't have lordship.
Item 3030. You make a prayer in the morning, you ask somebody to make a prayer, we'll take it up at 2. 30, both sides are represented. Just give us 30, item 30. Mr. G. Sharma, I'm standing also for the active matters. Lists the matter on 13/8/2025. Okay, we have to write matters will be adjourned.